And with your Storm Team 2 weather update on this Friday night, I'm meteorologist Elyse Smith. Two things to know heading into the weekend. One is that we have no major weather systems moving in over the next 5, even 7 days. A nice, quiet, but chilly stretch is ahead of us. And that, of course, includes the weekend where we will see a couple of flurries on Saturday, but then that will change into sunshine by Sunday. And as for the forecast for the Bills game at 1 o'clock Sunday at Highmark Stadium, I'm sure it's going to be just an electric, hopeful, optimistic atmosphere. If you're headed to the Bills game, it is going to be chilly. Of course, morning lows are going to be starting in the mid-20s, and with a light breeze out of the south, that could produce wind chills that make it feel a few degrees less than that. But by the time we get to kickoff at 1 p.m., temperatures will be right near or above freezing, and the sunshine is going to make all the difference on Sunday. Sunday could be one of the sunniest days we've seen in the past couple. But the rest of the weekend forecast, again, chance for a couple of flurries across western New York tomorrow, just very light snowfall, potentially a couple pockets of heavier snow for the southern tier, but we're not expecting any really major accumulations at all. And then, of course, on Sunday, sunshine, high temperatures both days in the low to mid 30s across western New York. But let's talk about what we're seeing currently on the radar. So here we are. You see we have a westerly breeze that is set up, which has produced a couple of snow showers across the southern tier. You can see this one little area of snow moving into the southern tier, just worked through Dunkirk and Fredonia. Gowanda picking up some light amount of snow right now. Also a little farther south, just west of Jamestown, some snow showers there, and west of Chautauqua Lake, potentially a little bit of light snow falling in Ellicottville, and of course in southern Erie County along the Chautauqua Ridge, in Boston and Colden. And that band could potentially extend, not really a band, but those snow showers could extend a little farther east into Wyoming County. This is generally with that trend of some west northwesterly flow across the eastern Great Lakes tonight, so you can see some of the sporadic areas of precipitation on the radar tonight, but it's not very heavy. It's really hit or miss. So generally the forecast tonight is cloudy. And we're keeping the cloud cover overnight. Cloudy start to the day tomorrow, so temperatures aren't really going to bottom out tonight. We're going to stay in the low to mid 30s. And again, with that breeze, it is going to feel a little bit colder than that. So here we go on Future Look, keeping that chance for a couple of sporadic snow showers. Again, primarily across the southern tier, could wake up to about a dusting to 2 inches of snow, give or take, if you see some of those snow showers tonight into tomorrow morning. And then playing through the rest of Saturday, the cloud cover for sure. And then we do start to see more of a northwesterly breeze settle in. That eventually is going to clear, and that's going to limit some of the potential for snow showers the second half of the day on Saturday. Saturday night is going to be a cold one with that northerly breeze and temperatures dropping into the mid-20s. Here's Saturday at 9 a.m. So if you are headed to Orchard Park for the Bills game, lots of sunshine to start the day. That will help temperatures rise into the mid-30s, and we keep the sunshine pretty much throughout the entire game. Here are your 7-day zone forecasts for Niagara and Orleans counties and Buffalo. Very, very similar, with not really any big weather systems moving in. We're in between them, but that is going to lead to a pretty consistent forecast across western New York, and again, quiet. Next chance for precipitation, major precipitation, isn't really until the end of next week. So you see very seasonal temperatures up on the board with some more chances for sunshine. Same thing for the south towns and the southern tier. Just the better chance for a few more snow showers the farther south you go, developing off Lake Erie. Then into the rest of these 7-day forecasts, again, very similar to Buffalo and Niagara Falls. We'll be watching a weather system moving in by the end of next week that could bring in some rain and snow heading into next weekend. And that is your Storm Team 2 weather update on this Friday night. Have a great night.